Hi everyone, this is Sketchman Boris, and another great day to draw comics. So in my last video I just finished the last page, so it's time to work on the next. So I've already done penciled as I'm talking about pencil, I'm looking for my pencils. Moment. Right, where is it? Okay, here. Trying to pull back a little bit so that you can see the whole page. Actually, I can maybe show what I've penciled so far. My sketchbook is like messy, so I I leave a lot of pages out, like I don't know, this. So things that are kind of based on what happened to me, what happened to my friends, kind of putting them in like the same story. It's very rough. I'm really proud of this. I know it's like it's weird, but you have to read the story to understand that. So, where did I leave the? Okay. This is my favorite sketchbook. I just feel like it has the, like you can just tear it off and it's not too smooth, it's not too rough. I don't know, I just love this. So I mean, until I hate this, I'm just going to use this. I'm just going to do basically like a version of the name or nama, as they say in manga, which is like a very rough layout. And I don't do thumbnails. I just put everything down and figure out if it looks good. So instead of showing faces, maybe I can show the beer glasses. So today is going to be a very short video, I think, because I need to call someone after this. Again, I'll figure out I don't know, maybe like a beer glass like this. I'm trying to picture beer glasses in my head now. And you can see the hands here, maybe. So if they're saying something, maybe actually I don't need to put the hand here, because if I put a bubble here, it will hide the whole thing. And then maybe like a bubble here that comes from this side. So the story of Wolves of Bangkok is the idea is that to do episode stories with these four characters. So they are basically werewolves in Bangkok, but each of them is stuck in a different stage of transformation, and they're also kind of different looking werewolves. Like one is just like a the way they drew in the 70s the comics, like a full on like the not anthropomorphic, but like human form with the wolf face, right? So it's like so that one is like more of the universal wolfman type werewolf. You know what I'm saying? And one is like almost human, so it's basically human with like human, sorry, wolf ears, which is basically me. Actually, it's based on me. And there's also a girl werewolf, and yeah, that's those are the four. So it's like one girl and three guys. They're friends, and this we so the idea is that each episode is like a different story, and each time you just learn something new about the relationship, about them, and you don't really need to read this in any particular order. That was my idea, is that you can just start anywhere and just read it. But the idea is to not to be have any pressure of like this should connect to this one, because I cannot write like that. So I was like, why am I forcing myself to write something that I don't like writing, right? Um, just to capture the sensual expression. Could be maybe more like a down shot, because I want that face to kind of break that space in a beautiful way. That's what composition is for me, actually, to be honest. So it's like, how do you cut that space, that blank space in a interesting way? Yeah, I can always come back and change that. So starting to do that. So, and even here, like, I love when things like this, like, I love that shape of like the round and then cutting it with like something sharp. It's just, I don't know. I just love the shapes that you're able to create with the comic page, with the comic panels. Um, So here will be the female werewolf coming to join them. I'm kind of thinking. So now that I have the page, so there's something missing here. The thing is that when you read like this, you go here, and immediately you go here, right? So you just maybe something. If I bring the arm here or something, so you read. I don't know. So basically, they're having a drink. They're having drinks, and he tells them about this girl that he met. So then she joins in, and she's going to add to the conversation. So what's going to happen with the girl that texted him? So you just met this girl, exchange numbers, or exchange Instagram. This is actually something that happened to my friend, so I just put it in the comic. And then so it's just a night in the thing, and so that little story. So it's like a story within a story. So this is like a little part. Like this is the end of the story. Once I've kind of laid out everything and done the pencils for everything, I'll go back and ink everything. As you know, that's the whole process. So I'll start over again. This is like Wolves of Bangkok episode. So this will be episode 5 because episode 4. This is the one I finished drawing in the video last time. So again, yeah, I just wanted, but I think I might improve this. I think there must be more things happening here. So, maybe. Yeah, maybe of more of a. I think this one I should use it as more to show the rest of the environment. Okay, so yeah, I just have to think this through a little bit more. But what I love to do is just lay it out everything, and then go back and because it's easier to change this than when you've added everything, the more details and stuff. So yeah, I have to think about this. I have to draw the rest of the pages, but I have to go, unfortunately. But thank you for again. This is you are kind of like my accountable person. But what I wanted to say was for today, the topic that I wrote down was attention, because I think our brain are kind of attention machines. We just throw attention around, and I really do believe that doing things starting things like this page needed my attention, and actually I wanted to give my attention to this. So a lot of times you don't realize it, or you realize it too late. You give attention to the wrong things, or things that you think will be very important but they are not. So, and I think the only thing to find out, the only way to find out, in my opinion, is to talk to friends, and I'm really grateful in that way that I have really great friends that I can talk about these things openly without being judged. So if I feel something, if I'm stressed about something, if my attention keeps going to something, when I have an actual day to live, um, I'm not saying I have one day to live, but let's just say like it's Monday, and instead of just like going about your things, you're just thinking about one thing. So just talking about it is a great way. Writing about it is also a great way to kind of deal with it, and um, but the thing is like so someone said that each time you talk about something, the memory of it changes, the shape of it changes, and I think changing, so whether it gets smaller or like so it just becomes more manageable. So I just wanted to end with that, which is like, if you feel like you want to do something but there is something that is taking your attention away from you, and it's like you're worried about something, just talk about it, or just like write about it, just try to really sometimes even laugh about it, and I think you'll you'll be fine, so you'll be okay. So thank you so much for watching. This is Sketchman Boris. Please go follow me on Instagram, subscribe to this channel if you like this kind of random stuff. If you like watching me draw comics, and if you need any, if you want to feel inspired, or if you just need something, and these are like these are what they are, which is like drawing companions. Like these are just like a few videos that I'm putting all over. It's just like I wish that someone did this for me, so I'm trying to do this. I hopefully for myself, but also for maybe someone who might find these videos useful. So thank you so much, and yeah, this is Sketchman Boris signing off.